So I got this. This is Stitch, and there is Karna things. So I'm gonna open it, and it's right here. This is the version which one you get. I'm gonna dream about this one because it's with a friend on it and something. So let's open it. It's hard to open this thing because Stitch is kind of a character from a movie, and it's hard. Oh my god. I don't want to open this, oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god, I feel it. I got the pink one. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna show this to my father. That he's gonna go crazy. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this inside here, oh my god, I need to put this in here. Oh my god, I'm dreaming about this version. I got the pink one, but I think I got this one. The one with the juice. This is so cute. I got this, this one. It's so cute. Oh my god, I have been having these things, oh my god, it's sleeping. I'm gonna sleep with this tonight. Let's put it inside. I'm gonna break my father. Oh my god, I didn't open these, this is so cute. I wish I was gonna get the one with the pineapple, because, it starts with the first one and other ones. I wish I could have, these levels are crazy. Put it inside. Oh my god, his little feet. Oh my god, I can move him. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I got this. Okay, let's put it inside. Let's put it inside and bring something. It shows it. It shows the card. Wow. Okay, put it inside. Okay, let's show my father. Okay, let's put it there. Bye bye.